Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I know I look so different with my hair out of the way. आज की वीडियो में I'm going to be talking about all the different ways और habits जो अपने routine में आप incorporate कर सकते हो to slay every single day. I've done a similar one relating to like fashion and stuff. I'll leave a link to it in the description box, but a lot of you guys requested me to make more, so I've just incorporated like a whole lifestyle theme to this. So obviously not all of us have our life together. We're not Amul Clooney, so we have to try to fake it till we make it. और रोज तैयार होने का ऑब्वियसली हर किसी का दिल नहीं करता, और स्पेशली जब मंडे रोल्स अराउंड एवरीबडी इज लाइक व्हाई डू आई हैव टू गो टू स्कूल, कॉलेज, यूनिवर्सिटी, ऑफिस. it's just a hard time. Maybe some of these you already practice on a daily basis, but maybe some of these can be new to you and you can use them and such. I'm just going to get started with the tips. So if you have not subscribed yet, then click the red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up, and let's just get started. Okay, so the first tip, I think it goes without saying, but I just wanted to include it because a lot of people apparently like try to forget about it and not take notice of it. It's your cleanliness. So what I like to do is shower every single day. I skip my hair sometimes because obviously I don't want to wash it every single day, but now it'll dry out. Like, I try to take a shower every single day in the mornings. That just freshens me up a little bit, and especially when I'm going out or something, then I definitely take a shower before leaving. Recently I've strayed away from body washes because I don't know, they've just been drying my skin out a little bit, and I found this Palmolive Naturals Flawless Clean Soap, jiski wajah se my skin has been feeling a lot better, so I figured I'll also mention it here. It always leaves my skin super soft and doesn't strip my skin of any excess moisture, which is always great because I have dry skin, and dry skin doesn't really scream slayage, you know. Also, keeping up with freshness and cleanliness ka theme, I always make a point to spray some perfume on me even if I'm going out or not. Koi farak nahi padta, I always have perfume on because I feel like that just makes me feel a lot better when I'm smelling all nice and fresh for myself, for nobody else at all. And I always just make it a habit. I make sure to always spritz it on after my shower so that my body just takes up that scent or it lasts longer. The next step is my favorite. You guys know I love a glowy makeup look, and when I'm stepping out the door, especially everyday basis पे अगर मुझे कहीं जाना है, I'll always prefer a more glowy skin-like look.
All you need for a rocking good time is a bunch of people who don't give a damn. There's a yes in your head, gotta find where it's at. You'll lose it in the morning, but ignore that. They're just party tattoos, and that colorfulness is just colorful regret. Black lipstick will never be a sin, or regret it.
And I just achieved that by using a BB cream, a highlighter, blush, and just simple steps that come naturally to me, and that just enhance my features a little bit. If you're just a mascara lipstick kind of girl, you can go with that. Agar aap sirf kajal वगैरह लगा के you leave the door, this is when all of that will come in, and not like a full glam for every day, because that might be your jam, but first of all it takes up a lot of time. Second of all, it also ruins your skin. So I just like to keep it very minimal, glowy, as you guys know it, so that way I also look fresh and like awake, but also not over the top. इतना excess routine हो कि मेरे से रोज किया ही ना जाए. Now you guys know I love my dainty jewelry. You guys know I have like small rings on all the time and some chokers and things like that, because I don't want to be like matching jewelry with my clothes every single day. So if you get pieces that are like statement, as in gold में, silver में, rose gold में, वो हर outfit के साथ जाएंगे. And dainty jewelry is something जो you can wear every single day and people will see that just as your signature, and not anything like oh उसने jewelry पहनी हुई है आज, you know. So it will just seem like a part of your outfit. I always prefer to go for like diamond studs or pearls or very thin bracelets. It looks like you just, you know, you're so effortless. You wake up like this wearing jewelry like queens. What was that? Okay, now next up, sunglasses. Now I used to be very scared of sunglasses till about last year, because I felt like they looked so over the top, and whenever I used to wear sunglasses I felt like everybody's just like looking at me, look, she has sunglasses on. But you don't always have to wear statement sunglasses, and call me stupid, but that's what I've learned this year. So I have just started to invest more in sunglasses that are everyday friendly. तो मैं रोज उनको पहन सकती हूँ, वो हर outfit के साथ जाएंगे, और I still don't look over the top, but I do look put together. All of these tips basically are just to give an illusion that you spent a lot of time on your outfit, but you're basically just effortless. If you're feeling that your outfit isn't doing a lot for you, just put a pair of sunglasses to pull everything together and you're good to go. Your outfit is more chic, more effortless and slay friendly. So yeah, that were some of the tips. I hope you guys enjoyed them. If you want me to make any more of these kinds of videos, then let me know in the comment section below. That's going to be all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.